guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. I film a lot of college content, productivity vlogs, lifestyle videos like that. And if you like those type of videos, be sure to stick around and join the fam because I think we're a pretty fun time. I'm not biased or anything, but I'm pretty sure we have a great time over here. So also be sure to leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with you guys and it also really supports me and helps me grow. So with all that being said, of course I'm filming another college vlog today. It is Wednesday, September 9th, the day a lot of my stuff is due, so we really need to get on that. First I'm going to show you what all we have to do today. Okay, so here's today's to-do list. I'm not a fan of it, but you know, it's whatever. I have wake up, make bed, coffee/breakfast, get ready, film, respond to comments because I love talking to you guys, complete my Spanish assignments by 11:59, take my Spanish quiz by 11:59, and take my Spanish test by 11:59, and then morning affirmations, which we will do those right after this, and then reminders. I just have take my iron pill, and then I need to make a shopping list since we are going to the store. I don't even think I put this on there. Yeah, we're going to the store. I forgot to put that on there, but yeah. Here are the affirmations that I try to say every day, and if you want to screenshot it, you can. They're not private or anything like that, so yeah. Okay, so now it's time for like my favorite time of the day, which is my coffee time. I've been trying to like not go straight for coffee as soon as I wake up, so I've been trying to like drink more water. But yeah, we are gonna go make us some coffee, and someone asked for the recipe, so I guess, sorry, that was my cup. But so I will show you guys like what I used. It's literally like 2 ingredients, but I'll show you. So I literally just used 2 things. The International Delight Caramel Macchiato flavor is my favorite. It's so good. It doesn't really even need anything, but I like to add this Silk Almond Creamer. It's so good. This is the vanilla flavor and it just makes it so much better. So yeah, I really don't add that much stuff. You really don't need to. Okay, so now that I made my coffee, I'm just going to enjoy it and also reply to comments because I love talking to you guys. You guys literally make my day every single day, and I just want to make it a priority. Okay, so this is my Spanish work and this is all that we have to get done by 11:59. I think we can do it. It's not even that it's hard, it's just a lot, and I've been lacking motivation with this class, not gonna lie. And, you know, I just want to be honest with you guys. I often do like motivation, but you know, I just gotta pull it together and get it done because it's about the end goal, you know? Yeah, we're gonna start this. And then I think we're going to go to the store in like an hour. So we'll start some now and then do some later. So I did 3 assignments in like a couple minutes, but we're gonna go to the store, so I'm stopping right now and I need to make my grocery list, so I'm gonna do that. I'm passenger seat riding because I can't drive. Let's put on our seatbelts because safety first, ladies and gents. Okay guys, I'll just talk to you guys when we get there. So I'm debating on getting this. Okay, so we're back from the store and we were gone for a little longer than I expected. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to doing my work. And then I got some sushi from there and I wanna try it. So we're gonna try it in like 30 minutes or so, just get some work done before that. And yeah, let's just get to it. Okay, so we're gonna take a little food break because I'm starving and I really can't think about anything besides food. So I'm gonna eat so we can hurry up and get back to our work. And okay, we are now down to 16 assignments, 1 quiz and 1 test. So we're doing pretty good. Okay, so here's the shrimp that I got. I mean, the sushi that I got. Here's all that's in it. And then I have one of these drinks, these carbonated drinks, and they're super cool. Like, as you can see, there's no way to get to the liquid, but this is the opener. I'm just show you because I suck at explaining. You just take it like this. It does take some force, so, but you just press it down, and then the ball goes right there. Super cool. Okay, but now it's time to taste the sushi. It's so good. So good. It's chef's kiss, and I can't wait to eat it all. Okay, so here are some vocabulary words for this chapter, and I'm just going to write the ones down that I don't know. Okay, so I finished all the vocabulary that I just didn't know. So now I'm going to finish my assignments and I will update you guys when I'm close to finish. Okay guys, we are now down to 3 assignments and it is 5:53, so we did pretty good. But I'm going to finish those and then I might just do the quiz and a test a bit later. Okay, so all the assignments are complete. I'm gonna do the test and the quiz in like an hour when it's 7. So yeah, super proud of myself because I had like 0 motivation to do that, so, but I still got it done. I'm proud. But now let's cross things off our to-do list because I haven't been doing that today, and then I guess I can show you guys what I got from the store. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I got. I'm standing on my floor because we're having a little floor moment. And plus I'm tired of sitting on my desk. So, I got this back scrubber because it's hard to get back there. So, thought this would help. I got some CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion because I love the face wash. So, I had to get the moisturizer to go along with it. I got this Dead Sea Mud Soap and Extra Scrub. It's an exfoliating scrub. So, wanted to try that out. And then I got some Dr. Teal's deodorant because it says aluminum free, and I'm just trying to go more of that route, so I got it. That's literally all I got, plus like food, but the food's already put up. So that's it for our little what I got segment. Now I'm gonna relax and wait till 7 because it's good to take breaks. It's 7:05. I have until 11:59 to get it turned in, so fingers crossed that we make the mark. I'm pretty sure we will. Here we go. You guys, look, I am a free woman. And my laptop screen's dirty, don't mind that. But I am a free woman. Until tomorrow, I have another assignment, but you know. Guys, we are free. What should my first activity as a free woman do? Maybe eat? Yeah, I still have some leftover sushi, but I might make some of the shrimp that I got from the store as well. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat what's left of my sushi, and then if I get hungry later, I'll make the shrimp because I usually get hungry later. But yeah, I'm gonna watch Shameless. Okay, so I'm done eating. We need to cross off the things from our to-do list. And on my last video, I think it was my last video, I talked about my mood tracker that I was doing this month, and today is getting a green, and green is happy because it was a pretty good day. I rate today a 10 out of 10. You know, I accomplished things that I was worried about that I wasn't going to get complete, but I did. This is how we're looking so far. Okay, I think I'm gonna go shower now. I want to try out my new back scrub thing. So yeah. Okay, hi, it's time for our skincare segment. I've been having a lot of mask acne, and if you don't know what it is, it's like acne around your mask area since we've been wearing masks. But like, I change out my mask a lot, so, and wash, so you know, hopefully we can get this taken care of. Okay, so first I'm going to wash my face using my lovely CeraVe hydrating face cleanser. First I need to wet my face. Okay, my face is wet. I don't know if you can tell or not. Oh, my eyes burn. But I'm using this little face scrubber that I got from Sephora. I don't know if it works, but I feel like it does something, so I keep using it. But I really don't know if it works. I mean, I suppose it does better than what my hands can do. I got my eyebrows done the other day. I don't know if they're like super thin or not. They kind of look the same, but like, I don't know. After I get my eyebrows done, I just feel like a totally different person. I just feel like the world is better because I got my eyebrows done, you know? Okay, so it's all washed off. I skipped a step. I usually use these witch hazel cleansing pads before I go, just to make sure I get everything. Okay, and now for moisturizer. This CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. My face feels like a baby's bottom. Okay, so I'm starving again, so we're gonna eat. Again, the sushi just wasn't enough. So me and my sister are gonna make this. Hopefully it turns out good, because I mean, it looks good, but I never had it before. So. Okay, it looks so good. Okay, so I think I'm going to end this vlog off here. I really hope you enjoyed this productive day in my life. Remember to take it easy on yourself. It's okay not to be productive 24/7. I know I'm definitely not. I'm a huge procrastinator and I need to work on that. I'm still getting myself together. You know, I'm not perfect at all. Don't want to ever come across as that. No, don't want to ever come across as something I'm not, because it's just not what I'm about. Anyways, if you have made it up to this point, leave a butterfly emoji down below in the comments, just because I like to see you watching my videos all the way through, and because it's like an inside joke type thing. So leave that down below. I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, or night whenever you're watching this. And if you are back in school taking classes, I wish you a great semester, because honey, it gets rough sometimes. It's hard sometimes. So I'm here too, right along with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm exhausted. I love you guys so much.